Are you looking all over for a revenue property, a rental property potential in sought after, affordable Edmonton, Alberta, Canada? Look no further but with this rare opportunity to own a legal suite in Avonmore. Located right across the street from the new LRT station, this property is 15 minutes to downtown, about 8 minutes to the University of Alberta, and has been upgraded on the inside. It includes vinyl plank flooring throughout the main floor and a fresh paint job. The 50s style kitchen is bright and airy as it has an east-facing backyard and a west-facing front. It also has newer stainless steel appliances and LED lighting. This property is perfect for if you want to live upstairs and rent the basement or vice versa, or you just want to have a steady stream of revenue coming because it is in a great location. The bedrooms are really nice and airy and big, both with closets, and the 4-piece bathroom has also been upgraded. Moving on downstairs, you will notice as you head outside that there's a separate entrance and that there is an oversized double detached garage, which could provide you with a third opportunity of a revenue stream because you could rent out the garage. The basement suite has been legalized in 2013 by the City of Edmonton, has a full kitchen and a full 3-piece bathroom, a living space / dining room area, and also 2 additional bedrooms with large egress windows. The basement has a centrally located laundry room / furnace room for both tenants to use. And it also has a huge, easily maintainable backyard with a mature apple tree. This is a short walk to the Millcreek ravine and Bonne Doone shopping center in the sought-after White Avenue area. Look no further but at 7203 83rd Street. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. The wait is over for your investment opportunity.